Hello friends, welcome to my channel Love to Entertain. Now, if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, the red button below, and in order to get notifications about my new videos, then hit the bell icon. Today I am making teardrop shaped or oval shaped crochet earrings. These are the few earrings I have already made. Here I have used cotton threads and a crochet hook of size 0.6 millimeter. But today I will be making the earrings with acrylic yarn using the crochet hook of the size 3 millimeter. First, we will make a slip knot and then chain 1. Make 2 more chains. These first 3 chains denote the first double crochet. Then into the magic ring we will be making 17 more double crochets. So in total there are 18 double crochets. At the end, join the double crochet to the first third chain with a slip knot. Followed by chain 3, which is the first double crochet, followed by chain 1, denoting the first chain 1 space. Then do a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch followed by chain 1. Then again in the following double crochet stitch do another double crochet. In this way you will carry on doing double crochet till you reach the last double crochet of the previous round, followed by a chain 1 and then slip stitch into the first chain 3. When you reach the end of this round, after doing the last double crochet, do a chain 1 and then slip stitch in the third stitch of the first chain 3. Then go to the first chain 1 space by doing slip stitch into the first chain 1 space, followed by chain 2. First yarn over, then insert your hook into the chain 1 space, pull the yarn through it, then again yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, and then again yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain 1 space, pull the yarn through it, and again yarn over and pull it through the first 3 stitches, followed by chain 2. In the next chain 1 space, make the next cluster double crochet. For this, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain 1 space, pull the yarn through it, then again yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain 1 space, pull the yarn through it, yarn over, and again pull the yarn through the 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert your hook into the chain 1 space, pull the yarn through it, and then yarn over and pull it through all the 4 loops, followed by chain 2. Keep doing these cluster double crochets till the 9th chain 1 space. When you do the 9th cluster double crochet, do chain 5 instead of chain 2, and then again repeat doing cluster double crochets in the next remaining 9 chain 1 spaces. When you reach the 9th cluster double crochet, just end this round with 5 chains and close this round with a slip stitch into the first cluster double crochet stitch. Then go to the first chain 2 space and do 3 single crochets there, followed by a slip stitch into the clusters double crochet stitch. Repeat doing these 3 single crochet stitches in each of the chain 2 spaces till you reach the second last chain 2 space. When you reach the last chain 2 space, do a half double crochet followed by a double crochet followed by a half double crochet and then slip stitch into the cluster double crochet stitch. In the chain 5 space, do a single crochet followed by a half double crochet followed by 2 double crochets. Then chain 2 followed by 2 double crochets followed by a half double crochet followed by a single crochet and then slip stitch into the cluster double crochet stitch. In the next chain 2 space, do a half double crochet followed by a double crochet followed by a half double crochet and then slip stitch in the cluster double crochet stitch. And in the remaining chain 2 spaces, as before, do 3 single crochets with slip stitches in the cluster double crochet stitch. In the last chain 5 space, just do 6 single crochets and then slip stitch with chain 1 to end it and cut the yarn, and your oval shaped earring is ready. Thanks a lot, my dear friends, for watching this video till the end. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button below and share this video to the fullest. Please subscribe to my channel for many such videos. Thank you and have a great day.